Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm using super burrito sized tortillas, okay? And we are making taco salad. So welcome to my kitchen today. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to make these very expensive if you eat out taco salads. And so we've got our oil heating here, and I've got it heating over medium high heat. And you know when it's time to fry when you put in a wooden spoon and see it bubble on the bottom. That's how you know it's ready to go. It doesn't matter if you're making French fries or tortillas. And so I'm going to carefully, when you're working with oil on a stove, you want to carefully, very carefully, move it around so you don't slosh any oil out of your pan onto the hot stove, okay? And so see, it's starting to bubble up in the center here. I don't know if Aaron can zoom in a little or not, and then you're going to see it start to brown just slightly on the edges. I'm going to keep it moving around here. You can see the bubbles popping up in it. We're making taco bowls, and so we don't want to over brown them or they won't bend, okay? So we want to try and get that little balance of cooked but yet still formable. So we got that side done. Trying to pull that edge out there. This might be something for the adult to do, and then the kids can do their own filling. And so I've got a big bowl over here. While this is just finishing, I have a big bowl, and then I have a smaller bowl to fit inside of it. That's going to make our bowl shape. And so I'm going to go ahead. I think we're there. And it continues to cook even after you take it out, okay? And so it don't get a dark brown or it'll just break. So I'm going to move my pan over. I turn my fire off, okay, and letting it drip a little bit. And I'm going to put it on top of my bowl here. And then I've got another bowl here, and I'm going to let it set there. And it takes maybe about 3 minutes or so in the pan here, and it'll be ready to go. Okay, I'm just going to let that bowl sit there. Okay, and so we're going to turn around. I'm going to go over to my countertop and we're going to pull this out. Okay, we're turned around here, and look, there is our taco shell, and it's still pliable where you can break it off and eat it. And so all you have to do is fill it up with your favorite lettuce and romaine, mixed greens, whatever you like. My husband loves a taco salad, so does Aaron. But he's all about it, and he likes his big and chunky. I like mine fine. I think Aaron likes her lettuce fine too, but Al likes his like that. And so, Mr. Jana's kitchen. And so he likes lots of meat. He's been working hard today. He works hard every day. And so.
And it's raining.
It's about to rain. We're watching the weather of some friends up north. They're getting some weather. Okay, so there is, oopsie, I bumped the camera. I'm wearing a baseball hat. So my forehead's bigger than normal today. And so he's going to want some cheddar cheese. This is Kojak. Mr. Jana's kitchen, would you like some cheese, liquid cheese? No, okay. And so, would you like some onion? Yes, a little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit of onion. Would you like some jalapeno?
Nope.
We'll put a couple on there because it's pretty and he can pop them off. Okay. And we're going to fill this with some tomatoes. I have some of those grape tomatoes, this time of year. They're everywhere. There we go. That way he can get them in all the bites. I just hit the camera with my hat again. I'm going to take my hat off. I just had one of those hair days today. And so, put some extra special stuff on there today. Make it how you like it. And I know he likes mild. You can use salsa. You can use taco sauce. You can use, he loves French dressing mixed with his taco sauce. It's, I think, called Catalina taco salad is what they call them officially. And then he likes some sour cream on there. Just like that. We're going to put a little boop right like that. So thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen. I know that he's going to enjoy this salad very much. And I hope that you make this for your family very soon. These are all ingredients that you can have in your refrigerator, ready to go. And you can make these for your lunch, for work. You can take it camping, whatever you want to do. Thank you for stopping by my kitchen.